Welcome to MyClay Electric. To pay your bill online, you'll need a MyClay Electric account. If you have not created one already, learn how by watching our video tutorial at myclayelectric.com. When ready, click the Login button. Enter your email address and password. If it's your first time logging in to MyClay Electric, you'll read and accept the terms of use and create a security phrase. Once you're logged in, you'll see your new dashboard screen. Click on any of these links to pay your bill. On the next screen, check the box next to the account or accounts to pay and click Pay Now. Confirm the information and click Continue. Select a payment method and a date and click Continue. You can pay with a credit or debit card, Visa, MasterCard, Discover Card, or American Express, or with a bank account. If you want to cancel at any time, select the red Cancel Payment button on the right-hand side of your screen. If you choose to pay on the same day, you'll have the option to save that payment method. If you have one or more payment methods on file, select the one you want to use and click Continue. When you choose your payment method, you'll be asked to confirm your payment. If you want to set up automatic payments or make changes, go to the Billing and Payments tab and select Auto Pay Program. Review the details of the program, then click on Sign Up for Auto Pay and follow the prompts. To learn more about MyClay Electric, check out our other tutorials and information at myclayelectric.com.